How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this week's video where I'm going to be showing you how I built this headphone stand. So I built a few of these headphone stands actually for my buddies for Christmas as presents, and I wanted to build something kind of clean and that used some different techniques to make it, so I did a little bit of 3D printing and woodworking on this project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss awesome new videos every single week. So the first thing that I did is I started printing the hooks on my printer and let that run while I worked on everything else. Then I cut down some plywood to the rough size of the circular base. Then I attached my template with some spray adhesive. Then at the bandsaw, I roughly cut out the shapes of the circles. And at my disc sander, I actually refined the edge of my circles and brought it close to the line on my template. I think I used too much spray adhesive, so it was kind of a pain to take off the template. I just ended up using an orbital sander and sanding them off, and it worked pretty well. Then it was time for the glue up. This part's pretty straightforward. You just put glue on your pieces and stick them together. I realized later on that you should actually probably spread the glue across the surface. And I clamped it together. I missed that step, but these are all the clamps I used. I let the base sit overnight, and then I sanded it on the disc sander to get the final smooth edge. So this was my first time ever putting stain on anything. It's pretty simple. You just brush it on and then you use a paper towel to wipe it off. Just make sure you use plastic underneath it instead of a paper towel like I did. Then all you have to do is insert the hook into the base. I was just being ginger here to try to not get stain on my fingers. And that's it, it's done. So that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure to go hit that subscribe button so you don't miss new projects like this every single week. And I will see you guys in next week's video.